Strawberry season is in full swing, and if you watched my last video, you already have a flat of beautiful, perfect strawberries just sitting there waiting for their moment. Well, this is their moment. We are making a strawberry cake today, and it is absolutely loaded with fresh berries. Let's go! First things first, butter your 9-inch, or sometimes I use an 8-inch springform pan, and line the bottom with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 375. Now for the berries, we are dividing the berries into 2 portions. Diced berries for the first layer and the second inside the batter, and sliced halves for the beautiful top. 3 layers of strawberries in one cake. Yes, really. In a large bowl, beat 2 eggs with 1 cup of sugar on high speed for a full 5 minutes. You want it light in color and thick. Don't rush this step, it matters. Then add your sour cream, oil, and vanilla and beat on low until combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt. Then add the mixture to your batter 1/3 at a time on a medium-low speed. And please do not overmix. Mix just until it comes together and stop. Now here is where this cake gets really good. Pour 1/3 of the batter into your prepared pan and spread it out evenly. Add your first layer of diced strawberries right over the top of that batter. Then add your second layer of batter and strawberries. 2 layers of berries tucked right inside this cake. Every single slice is going to be full of fruit. Spread the remaining batter over the top, nice and gently. And now the crown. Your final halved strawberries, cut side down, pressed just slightly into the top of the batter. Don't push them all the way in, just enough so they stay put. Into the oven at 375 for 45 to 55 minutes. Mine is usually perfect right at 45 minutes. You're looking for a toothpick inserted in the center to come out clean. Let the cake rest in the pan for 15 to 20 minutes before you remove the ring. Run a thin spatula or knife around the edges and then transfer it to a cake platter and let it cool at just warm or room temperature. Dust with a little powdered sugar if you like. It makes it look absolutely beautiful. Slice it up and look at those layers. Strawberries running all the way through. Fresh berries on the top. This cake speaks for itself. Now, totally optional, but if you want to take it completely over the top, I have a fresh strawberry sauce recipe that is incredible, drizzled right over each slice. And the link is in the description below, and it's popping up in the corner right now.
And let's do the taste test and see if it tastes good. It's definitely very, very fluffy. Very strawberry. And I have to say, the sauce really fits. But it's optional if you like it or not. So, give this a try.
This cake is absolutely delicious on its own. But that sauce, it just really takes it over the top. If you want to make this cake, please leave me a comment. I want to see it. I hope you will try this. And I see you in my next video.